I've been at WNCT a little over a year.
Yeah.
And approaching my 1-year anniversary, I said, I need to go ahead and make this space my own. I've waited too long.
Yeah, and you definitely inspired me because originally I kind of had some basic stuff, nothing crazy on my desk. It was pretty plain Jane, but you definitely inspired, like, Angie, we need to switch this up and bring some color in our lives, so we did just that.
Something about being happy and comfortable in your space.
Exactly.
It almost makes you it changes the way that you work.
Yes.
In some ways.
What is this?
We took a trip to the craft store.
We did.
And we found some goodies.
It's like every aisle we went to, we just like had to stop and find something. And the amount of sales that we found and just discounts and it was insane because at the end of it, we were able to get another coupon code and just saved even more money.
See if I can get the little corner.
Give a little bit of TLC with some paint.
Because a lot of the things you bought,
Yeah.
you were just like, you revamped it completely. It was actually amazing seeing the transformation from what it was and then the color and just how you brought things to life afterwards. It was cool.
When I sit down at my desk now, it's full of color.
Yes.
It gives me energy. It gives me life.
My desk, I kind of love the whole farmhouse kind of feel. Something real classic yet modern, something that's, very elegant but still brings a little color. So I love the rose gold colors. I love pastels, like those blush pinks, and that's what I added. I like to call it my happy corner. I love black and white photos, so I added a lot of black and white photos of my family. Like just putting, positive affirmations, quotes that I live by, and friendly reminders, you got this, girl.
It's just little pockets of sunshine.
Yeah.
And even though we don't have windows, it's a nice way to brighten up our space.
Exactly.
And make it inviting for us in our own
And it's a work in process. I think we'll add a little bit, take some off, and just, with time, it's going to definitely transform.
But we're already on our way. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Let's Craft. I'm Shayla Reaves.
And I'm Angie Quezada.
Have a great day.